Hello guys, today we are back at playing Roblox. So uh, we I played a lot of games. Like what should I play? Hmm. Oh oh yeah, blocks fruits, blocks fruits, blocks fruits. Dun, dun. Blocks fruit. I cannot drink blocks fruit. Hmm. What should I play? Oh yeah, Meme C. I forgot about Meme C. So, so yeah, uh, I just did that. So yeah, we are gonna play Twister X. See you in the game. Okay, we are back. We are back playing this game. What should we play? Like actually, what this? Just let me load. Altitos. Oh! Kanino yan Toyota? Ay bukol. Honda. Ay bukol may Honda. Ano din? Kala ko hindi yung Twistex ganyan. Kunya ni Twistex. Full twist. Punta Twister X. Magagawin son.
The National Weather Service in Haiti has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Midfield County, North Central Coldora, Weed County, North Central Coldora, West County, North Central Coldora. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. Miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Storm Gallup, Cashtown, Haiti.
What did it?
National Weather Service in Haiti has issued a tornado warning for Midfield County, north central Coldora. National Weather Service starting radar indicated a tornado on the ground near Haiti, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This tornadic thunderstorm will be near Haiti, Ashtown, Medfield, Green Lake. This is a very dangerous storm. For your protection, seek shelter in a strong building. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a wood-fence short of a piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat on a bush or on a low spot and cover your head with your hands.
Guys, I like it. Ay! Gonna be like just the god. Oh! Oh! What do we do? Go, Dominator, go! Dominator 4! What the heck? You know what? Tito's podcast. Yeah, should we like that? There. Go, Dominator 1! Go! Dominator 1! You know you can do it, Dominator! You can get it, Dominator! I'm not gonna. Oh! Oh, we're escaping it! Well, guys, I don't even know what am I playing this. What is? Oh, what? 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 I'm not doing that anymore. You know even why I'm playing this game. What the hell? What? Moo ha 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 ha. Moo ha ha ha. I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. You know what? I'm not doing armory. I'm doing my avatar. Who the hell is those shooting at? Well, I'm just gonna make a anti-Zepeto car. So yeah, I'm gonna post the video for a bit. Okay, guys, we are done, and don't. And this is the anti-Zepeto car, I guess. Hello, si Titus. Titus ba yan? Oh, open Titus. I want to find Titus. I will find Titus eventually. Wait a minute, I like stone scissors. I'm gonna build the Titus. this, bro. Remember ko pa yan. Kaya nag-go kita. Start? Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna make tip 2 na lang. Wait, you can copy and paste now? I have not played Brookhaven in a while. So yeah, I think it's like this. Then I place this. Then I make it fall. Go down. No! This stupid. Thank you. Why? Why did you do that? I hope it's not gonna bump at this thing at my car at my storm chaser car once again. Let's see. Okay, like that. Yeah, that's okay. Wait lang. Not that. I can just make it one if I want. With the limousine. With this kind of car. Where was the car? This one. It's this one. I don't have that robot. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. I have a armor. I'm from the armory. I have a I have a shotgun and an armory. Oh yeah. Hello, my car. Spider-Man. What is this? Keep happening to me. No. Wait, 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 wait. Okay, I'm back. Oh yeah, I forgot something. What should be good for like my probe? Yes. Yeah, that's pretty good. To be honest. No, this. Now it's just like lower, like that. No, no, no. A bit upper, like that. That just looks like the rockets. Now I just need to like duplicate this. So I got another one. I'm just gonna like, whoa, like that. Is it like that? Oh, well, I think it's like this na lang. Patay subarak. That's it for the video. I'm gonna eat.